Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see Unit 2 poem At the Grocery Store. First we will see how to recite the poem. Then we will see the meaning of this poem. Okay?
At the grocery store, find everything you need and more. Saffron and cinnamon are not very common. Grains and sprout, eat them without a doubt. Almonds and dates, share them with mates. Milk and oil, can't pack them with a foil. Now get these to your door from the grocery store.
Okay. Now we are going to see what is the meaning of this poem line by line. Okay. First line. At the grocery store, find everything you need and more. You can get more than you need at the grocery store. For example, when you go to the shop to buy a small chocolate, you can find a wide variety of chocolates in the shop, which means in addition to what you want, you can find different types of chocolates, biscuits, and other items in the grocery stores. So, from the grocery store, you can find what you need and more than your need. Next, saffron and cinnamon are not very common. Here, saffron and cinnamon are two types of spices that are used in a variety of foods to add taste and flavor to the food. But we can't find them in all the grocery stores. These are very rare spices and we can get these in a few big stores. Do you know? Cinnamon is made from the inner bark of trees and it is used to control blood sugar and lowering the blood pressure. Similarly, saffron helps to protect our eyes and strengthens our bones. Next lines, grains and sprout, eat them without a doubt. Eat the grains and sprouts without any doubt because they are high in fiber and very good for our health. So eat sprouts every day without any arguing with your mother. Next, almonds and dates, share them with mates. Here mates means friends. When you take almonds and dates to school as your snack, you share them with your friends because sharing things with your friends is a very good habit. Okay? Next line, milk and oil, cannot pack them with a foil. Here foil is nothing but a thin metal sheet and foil sheet is not suitable to pack the liquid items. So to pack a liquid items like milk and oil, we need some special containers or bottles. So we can't pack the milk and oil by using foil sheet. Last lines. Now get these to your door from the grocery store. See here, you can get all these grocery items to your home from the grocery store. So children, whatever the thing you need, you can buy from the grocery stores. Okay? Hope you understand the poem At the Grocery Store.
Rhyming words.
Store,
More.
cinnamon,
Common.
sprout,
doubt,
dates,
mates,
oil,
foil. Question and answers.
What do you share with mates?
I shared almonds and dates with mates.
What can't be packed with a foil?
Milk and oil can't be packed with a foil. Thank you for watching, friends. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe for my channel.